Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your copy of BB Racing supports split screen. That saves time. Connect one or two controllers now, or enable on-screen dual touch if you have a single device. Once done, open the multiplayer menu and pick split screen mode. This allocates left and right viewports. Next, choose a track and character for each player because preselecting avoids delays in the lobby. Do this step quickly so you can move straight into calibration and balance settings. Once players are assigned, calibrate controls so input feels identical for both of you. Test steering, gas, and drift. Make sure to adjust the camera split ratio and HUD scale so neither view feels cramped. You want equal visibility. Then, balance audio levels so engine noise and cues remain clear for each player. Move on to set AI difficulty and lap count. These settings affect race flow and fairness, so tweak them now rather than mid-race. For a smoother experience, you're ready to start the race. Press go and watch the first few frames to confirm view sync and input responsiveness. If something feels off, run a single practice lap. That reveals visibility problems and control drift without wasting a full match. During the race, keep an eye on frame drops. If you notice lag, lower graphic settings or switch to 30 frames per second. And if a controller stutters, reconnect or swap USB versus Bluetooth to fix latency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.